Hi, my name is Robert Milton. I carry the torch, and it was the most amazing feeling I've ever had in my whole life. Yeah, their issues is very important to them, and there are a lot of people suffering. And I'm representing at the downtown east side. Well, they have no idea why I'm representing downtown east side, man.
Why?
Like, I'm doing it to promote these, like, homeless, I was homeless also. Into any standing, like especially the Olympics, there's people against it because they're offending. I guess we're offending their land, right? I guess.
It's a white man's ceremony. We have our sacred fire. That's ours. Shame on you! Shame on you for carrying the torch!
I am honored to represent the downtown east side so that the world knows there are athletes out here and people that matter. Yeah, I gotta be brave.